Do you want to go on a walk? Yeah? Do you want to go on a walk? Alright, so it is Sunday. We've almost been here for 2 weeks, and look what's all around me. Can you see?
Probably like a blur.
We have furniture.
Yeah.
We have a bed that we have slept 2 nights in. Josh has his computer completely set up. We got some decorations going on. We've got everything hung on the walls. We have a million things on our dresser because there's nowhere else to put them. But yeah, we got everything. The movers came on Friday. So they came early in the morning, unloaded everything, so all of Friday we were unpacking. We got our bikes. Josh is like super excited to have his bike back. He has some plans. And Olive has adjusted super well. She's like doing so good. She has the system down. She knows the elevator. We'll show you. She's really good.
Still hates other dogs.
She still isn't good around other dogs, but we've been lucky that most of the time the elevator comes, it's empty. So we're gonna take her on a walk. She's finally comfortable enough to like walk around and explore and be curious and stuff. So she still needs to lose a little bit of weight. So
A lot of weight.
A lot of weight. So we're gonna get her some exercise. Right. She always wants to dive into the water. Olive, you can't go in there. The weather has been really nice. It's cloudy today. It's cool, so it's good for Olive. She's had nice cool weather. Let's keep going. Gotta get a workout. Look at all the fish in there. Can you see them? Olive, there's fishies down there. There's fish down there. Olive walked through a little bit of mud. Oh well, let's keep going. You found another one. You gonna get it? She is so weird. Oh. Oh my goodness. What is in there? What's in there? Weirdo. What is going on in there?
Look over here.
Crazy. There are so many fish right there.
You love this fish, Olive?
Oh my gosh! Olive, what is that?
Is it like a bigger fish?
That's crazy. Wow. All those fish.
They're waiting for food. Then when one tries to acts like it gets food.
Alright, let's keep going. Keep going. Go, go, go. Alright, Olive got a workout. Alright, so it's a crazy windy day and raindrops are hitting my face as I speak. Gosh dang it. Look, we set up this whole little picnic. We brought lunch. I'm eating my apple.
You already ate.
We ate. Josh, you made good sandwiches.
Rain.
Tell them about the sandwiches you made.
Chicken, caramelized onion.
Yeah, an everything bagel.
I probably got crap up in my teeth.
You don't. And they were really good. People were like eyeballing us, like, what are they eating? So we're just having a picnic on the beach. And it's like raining almost. But I got my new bathing suit, so I'm gonna get in the water.
You were in it.
I think so. We're at the beach. Might as well. I don't even know if you can hear a word I'm saying with the wind. But we're gonna go swimming and enjoy this crazy weather. Well, we were about to get in the water and then it started raining, so we're hiding out under this awning. And I don't know if it'll pass or not, but aww. Well, that was cut short. We didn't even get in the water. It started pouring rain, so we walked all the way back. I'm soaked. Not because I got in the ocean, because we got rained on. So we're back home. Olive is happy that we're here. And I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Today is the Pro Bowl or something, but we're not going. So I guess we'll just hang out and have like a rainy day, movie day maybe. We should watch a movie. Hang out with this little girly. Huh. Olive, I love you.